Last time on La Vie Flottante, we took a look at the Beneteau 349. Flat deck, huh?
Yeah, so comfortable to walk through.
And the awesome Lagoon 450S. In this episode, we walked through the Beneteau Oceanis 55. Let's take a look. Here's the Beneteau Oceanis first set. Rebecca, where are you going now?
I'm going to the biggest boat here. It's a Beneteau 55.
Beneteau 55.
Beneteau 55.
This is the king.
Wow, look at
Beautiful.
Andrew down.
Well, he's in the long conversation. Yeah, I should go up to a big yeah.
Their steps is wider.
Yeah,
you know,
I like
it's
it.
wider. Yeah.
That was the one
Big sink here.
Getting a slip.
Big
Big sink, really big sink.
Is another. It's a little hard. You know, I know they have some other.
Zagabon had a smaller version of this. He had a Beneteau.
Beneteau, really?
Yeah.
That's where the gentleman there. He has it on the
Small.
Microwave.
no, it's
3 burners.
Yeah.
Ovens.
Yeah, it's right there. It's called four
Refrigerator.
Oh, I see that. That's on the other side of the sky. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that boat. It's a nice boat. I have it listed at
It's a small refrigerator. We need the most space.
We have our eyes on the market. It just
So the difference between that boat and this boat is that is the 2-head model. So
Turn around, see
you want to come see it.
the
See the head?
See that this sofa is
Not the head. Well, the head is right here, right?
a little bit. You get more.
Oh, a pretty nice size head.
And then you
big enough. Can you sit? Can you fit in?
Yeah.
That's
I can get through here even.
And it's
No, you cannot. You have to squeeze yourself.
I can do it.
You have to squeeze yourself.
A lot more roomy though. This is a little bit bigger, yeah.
Yeah, taller and deeper, right?
Mhm.
But the storage is still the same. Not many storage here. We cannot bring too many clothes on boat.
Right.
Oh, I'm stuck.
yeah, it's
What's another closet there though too, right?
cushions in there.
Another shower.
Oh, it's another door to the shower.
Hey, so convenient.
It's the same interior color. And then it does have a dishwasher.
But the water going down to the ocean? Where is it? Where
There's
did?
probably pumps down
Where
there.
does the
There's
water
probably
go?
excess. Oh, when you're out to sea, it pumps right out to the ocean.
Yeah, to the ocean. I think you could.
And there's a holding tank also.
This is a huge room. Wow.
Bigger, huh?
Bigger. Much bigger than
Very
all the
nice.
rooms also. There's a sink, shower. Oh, I almost burned my eyes by looking up. The sun is right through the window. Oh my god. Oh, they have another sink inside the shower too. Wow. So you can have 2 people brush teeth
Yeah,
at the same time.
That's kind of nice.
Oh. Wow, that's a closet. Oh, looks like a. Is it bigger closet? No, not really. You cannot hang your clothes. You cannot
Maybe
hang.
over here on the other side.
You cannot hang your clothes. But here is wider, so you can actually walk
Easy to
up
access, huh?
to your bed.
And it comes with free donuts.
Yay! That's not donut, that's bagel. Oh, it's tight.
It's a little bit.
Yeah, you can hang there.
You can hang here.
Yeah. But you fold a lot of stores.
So we cannot have really have anything.
Very nice stateroom.
So they have a long mirror in the back. So what's this? Oh, another shower.
The head?
No, yeah, that's the head.
Yeah,
this
that's
is,
over here.
oh, another sink. Another sink here. Look, their head is different flush system.
Yeah.
You have to pull the handlebar to flush. The mirrors everywhere. And you have a window out there too.
Beautiful boat. Slide outs here.
Wow. The other one too.
Two hatches.
So wide. You have a dresser, kind of a dresser here.
Yeah.
Nice wood. Nice wood too. What's this underneath?
Hatch. Access the bilge.
I bet that's the log.
Good, well, as long as you pick up the tab and save me dinner. Thank you.
Are you navigating today?
Yes, I am. I'm doing a good job.
We haven't ran anything yet.
I was trying to connect my phone to the Bluetooth and I wasn't successful yet, so I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't be
Maybe
navigating.
not, huh?
No, at this price, it's hard to
another
not
hat.
consider this because when it's
Another
all down,
room.
you're still talking
Aft cabin.
when it's all said and done.
Do they have their own bin? Yes, they do. Wow,
Three of
three. Wow.
Pretty fancy, huh?
It's a big one too. You have a shower. Go in there. Oh, you have another door to go there. Are you going inside the shower? See if you can fit in there.
Oh, plenty of room. Much better than that one trailer we were in.
Oh, no problem. You can extend your
Should I take my
arms.
sunglasses off? Oh,
You cannot bend.
I can scrub my knees. Yeah, it works.
And you can see the view outside.
Oh, yeah, nice. You get a suntan while you're showering. I like that.
Look at the galley.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, so I
Is there a door? Shower door?
Lots of windows.
Is there a shower door?
Yeah.
no,
It's holding one.
it's fine. I've seen it on other boats.
The shape looks weird. Oh. You are locked.
Really good design.
You know, so I mean, it's not.
So, lots of space.
It's got magnets on it so it locks.
But why they put another sink down there in the shower? Oh, why?
It's not
What's another
a
sink?
it's not a sink. You put your soap in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we misunderstood, huh?
This is soap dispenser there.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
You start getting it.
And little hatch to access plumbing, probably.
Yeah, but I have seen people do this.
What's that?
Your water tank.
They're not really.
If I can access.
Oh, for shower?
That's your water tank.
That's all the water you can have for shower?
Yeah, that's your water storage. It probably goes all the way down.
So
You can service it from here.
how long the water can last? How many times do you take a shower?
Depends how long you take a shower and how much you take.
I better shave my head. So I don't need to use too much water to wash my hair. You can see the outside, the big window there. Bigger window, you can see outside. Nice. You have a storage down here. By the bed. Storage here too. You have to flip this one up maybe. Cannot really open it. So you have to flip up the mattress. But here, lots of storage. Wow, deep.
Yeah.
Here's another storage area here. Here's another one. Ooh. What's this for then?
Have a nice day.
Little table here.
What do you think that's
Service the engine from here.
Wow, so difficult. So small space
Well,
here.
that's where the engine is.
Wow.
It's actually better than most.
But how can you get to the space behind it? Right?
On the other side,
Oh, is it?
from the other bedroom, other stateroom.
Okay.
Pretty well designed.
26.
No wonder they're popular. Very good.
Do you want to eat?
Let's go on the front bow.
Okay.
Beautiful wood here, huh?
So just take them off.
I could live on a I think 2 feet.
Careful. You can lie down there for sun tanning.
So nice. How much is this boat?
Yes, absolutely no problem on that.
It's a nice. This feels like wood, right? Doesn't it feel like wood?
Yeah. I think it's imitation wood, but it might be real wood. It'd be teak if it was. Yeah, this is real wood. With a multitude of designs and choices, according to Beneteau, the Oceanis 55 impersonates a custom yacht without the custom price. Cutting-edge innovations and meticulous attention to detail establish her to be the ultimate in luxury, safety, and performance. Go check them out. Thanks for watching this episode of La Vie Flottante. Stay tuned for more boat tours as we visit some luxurious power yachts. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time on La Vie Flottante.